I think the theme for me for the rest of this year is just to learn to let go and stop overthinking and stop obsessing over things that aren't rational or that aren't really gonna happen, that I just kind of put in my head. So I've been trying to vlog for the past week, and mostly I've been listening to a ton of music, trying my best to journal as much as I possibly can on my free time because I just have to get a lot of thoughts out and ideas out, and that's the best thing that I can do while I'm just working. And it's become a really important part of my routine. On that same day, I ended up going to Target. I ended up getting just a few things, but I had to stop near all of the fall items that just came in. I'm super ready for fall to come, you guys. You have no idea. I'm ready for Halloween. I saw some pumpkins on the way to getting my groceries, and I just had to look at everything. So that was fun. I also had to stop to get some coffee because I just ran out at home, and I've been getting a lot of coffee out, so I'm trying to stop doing that as much. So I just went ahead and figured out which one I wanted. I ended up just getting a breakfast blend that was a Target brand. I usually either get Starbucks or Blue Bottle, but yeah, it just depends on what I'm feeling for the day. Oh my god, so I just got back. I tried to go shopping today and find some stuff for a photo for tomorrow because I'm actually going to be hanging out with my friend Nick and we're going to take pictures out, but I just literally found one item to take a picture in, so I'm going to just go with that. I need to clean, but I gotta do a lot of stuff actually today. What I need to do is finish editing a video, send that in. I have 2 emails to answer because 2 companies want to work with me. I think one is a makeup company, the other one is for a skincare brand. But I got I got a lot of lashes today. These are my favorite type of lashes, the ones that have like a rubber band, or like a rubber strip, not like the thick lash strip, but these, I always go for lashes like these. So if you guys want to know, I usually go to places like TJ Maxx or Ross or Target, but Target's my last option because they're usually only like 4 pairs of lashes or 2 pairs of lashes, and they don't last as long, I feel like. So got this random crop top today. I'll probably wear it for today's photo or something with a pair of jeans or whatever, see what happens. And I also got some PR that I'm gonna open right now. So I got one from Trixie Cosmetics. I love Trixie so much, so this is awesome. The last PR I got from them, I absolutely loved it. And I might try my best to do a reel with these. It says, "Hi Tima, how's it going? How's it growing? We're so excited to launch our new 12 pan shadow palette and 3 lip glosses and shades that will make you pot it like it's hot. Put the pedal to the metal and check out." It's so corny, but I love it. "And check out our new Plant Gay collection available on TrixieCosmetics.com on August 27th. This is so cute, but this is what it looks like. This is honestly the most adorable thing ever. And it says Plant Gay. Oh, I love it. Like, it's all cardboard this time around. Usually it's not, but it's so cute. It's very like 70s hipster. Wow. Maybe I should play in this today actually for my Instagram look. This looks really cute. I wonder what these, I guess these are, oh yeah, they're all lip glosses. Okay, cool, we go for that. Ooh, this is like a nice pink. I don't usually gravitate towards pinks, but for specific looks, I don't mind doing that. Then we have an M Cosmetics package here, which I'm really excited about because I thought that I just got stuff from them, which I still need to do a reel for on my Instagram. Oh my God. It's a big package of dewy eyeshadows. This is huge. This is crazy. This is how the packaging looks and how all the shadows look too. Whoa, I could probably use some of these as highlighters too because they're, whoa, look at the packaging for each one. That is wild. But like, look at the pigment. I'm gonna try these out today. Yeah, focus on working for the next few hours and then eat dinner and then chill later. But that's my goal for today. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. The next day I ended up meeting up with my friend Nick and we went to Lodge Bread. They have a bunch of different kinds of breads there, but my favorite thing to get from there is their oat milk latte. So I just had to get that. But we ended up getting this really awesome looking breakfast sandwich and this ricotta cheese and toast bread. It had this really nice blueberry jam, which I want to go ahead and have it again because it was delicious, you guys. I really miss it. I really missed that whole day. It was just really, really fun. Yeah.
It's real good.
And cheese cold.
I'm glad we got it.
Wow. Then we ended up spending the next 2 hours taking a bunch of photos for Instagram and they ended up turning out so good, you guys. I'm gonna actually make this into a little fun reel about just taking pictures with friends. I'm not sure how I'm gonna put it together just yet, but I'm going to try my best and do that today. I haven't had a reel in like ages, but these are the photos and they look so good. At least I think so. Alrighty, I'm back. Kind of oily though, so I'm gonna just touch up my makeup while I'm here. I have some watermelon that I'm eating as a snack right now. I just wanted to add to this vlog for a little bit and talk about where my head is at and also just what I've been seeing in my subscription feed. Well, I haven't really been seeing it that much in my YouTube subscription feed. It's mostly people either saying that they're leaving YouTube or that they're taking a break. That's what I've been seeing, and also I've just been seeing like less uploads in general. I have definitely been uploading to Instagram and stuff. I honestly though have not been doing reels, which I should be doing. So hopefully I can start that this upcoming week. It's a weekend right now, so hopefully I can start that really soon. Gonna have some water, but it's so hot. It's like 100 degrees outside right now. I think I wanted to talk about lately I've had compliments about my weight and everything, and this is from people in person and also on the internet, and it's kind of weird because I'm gonna be honest, usually I'm very aware of my weight. I'm aware of how I'm looking. I'm aware of like staying at a certain weight for my body type, all that type of stuff. And I'm gonna say that at the beginning of the pandemic, I was like 155 pounds. That was my highest weight that I've ever weighed in my entire life. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, I just focused on being happy and eating what I wanted, especially during the whole like us not being able to leave the house. Like that was the most exciting thing that all of us could really do, is just eat good food, and that's what I was doing mostly the whole time. And I wasn't really obviously taking any walks, going outside, doing much physical activity, so that makes sense. And my weight loss has everything to do with my stress levels. Like I haven't worried about my weight for months. I haven't worried about my weight for almost an entire year, and it's mostly because I don't really have time to worry about that. I'm worried about everything else in my life, and I'm making a really big decision soon that's going to be coming up in the next, well, pretty much next year. And I'm gonna have to go through a whole nother transition with me just getting over other transitions that I've made or that everyone has already been through this past year and everything like that. So I foresee myself undergoing more stress, but I'm trying to also let go of anxiety and let go of paranoia and just like negative thoughts that always kind of come through my head. Like I think the theme for me for the rest of this year is just to learn to let go and stop overthinking and stop obsessing over things that aren't rational or that aren't really gonna happen, that I just kind of put in my head. I've always done that with everything in my life, so it's nothing new, but I think it's just gotten worse to where sometimes I can't really sleep at night, and if I can't sleep at night, I'm waking up early in the morning. Like I'm always awake. It feels like it's like I'm never really asleep. I have been getting sleep. I remember me getting deep sleeps before, like really nice sleeps for like a consistent period of time, and like now I can't remember my sleeping schedule being consistent, and it's really bad. But you know, luckily my skin is clear. Like I haven't been having that many pimples from stress lately. It's mostly hormonal acne, but in every other area, like my weight especially, like I'm right now I weigh like what, 118 pounds, and that's without me working out, without me really eating healthy. Like I'm trying to put more fruit in my diet and more greens in my diet. I've just been eating whatever I want, and it hasn't been making me feel the best. I'm not eating the junk food in big quantities, but I feel like I haven't been putting enough nutritious food in my diet like I was before. I just haven't been feeling my best. And it's been so hot to be able to exercise and just go take walks outside and get out more that it's been really, really hard. I'm gonna make an entire video on this later, but I have already told a lot of my friends I'm gonna be moving. I'm gonna be leaving the state of California. I'm not gonna be living here anymore after this year. After my lease ends, I'm gonna be gone. I can't believe I'm actually saying that. I'm gonna make a separate video on that later when I get more into detail as to why I'm doing that and why I need to do that. But I am gonna be here for the rest of the year and like pretty much half of next year. So I'm still gonna be here for a while, you guys. It's just like, I'm gonna explain more later, but as of now you guys know that's what's happening. And it's been a very emotional roller coaster. I feel like there have been so many days where I've just cried for like no reason that I can't really think of. But yeah, it's just been very emotional. It's been very weird. I mean, even on my good days, like I have irrational thoughts, and it's just so odd to me. I feel like it's because I'm just stuck here. It feels very much that. It's like this stuck energy that I've been feeling for this entire, well, honestly. But yeah, I would say the past couple of years have just been feeling that way, just with everything going on, and a lot of people have been moving away, but even I know. There's just so many reasons like as to why I feel like I just need to go. Like I'm tired of just feeling stuck, and hopefully my weight kind of gets back to normal, and hopefully I become healthier. Just in general, I'm just trying to learn to let go and just learn to, I don't know, like when everything good's going on in my life, which it is, it feels like, I mean, nothing really is going wrong, but I'm putting that in my head for no reason because I feel like I don't deserve certain things. That's when I tend to get in a rut, and so I'm trying to get out of that. Anyone who is commenting on my weight or anything, or like, oh my god, you look so good, it's literally because of stress, and I don't know if I feel the best sometimes, but yeah, it fluctuates. That's just how I've always been. But I will say that this decision has lifted a huge weight off of my shoulders, you guys. I will say, like, just knowing that I'm not going to be stuck here forever, it just feels really, really good, and I'm very happy about my decision about what I'm going to be doing. It's just going to be a long process to get there, which is why I'm so impatient. I always do that to myself, but I'm going to be enjoying myself as much as I possibly can while I'm here, and this is why I did this vlog. Like, I still want to showcase what I'm doing and me having fun here and all that good stuff, because I do want to continue to do that as much as I possibly can. And I'm gonna have my birthday before I leave, so I wanted to do something really fun with friends and all that good stuff before I have to go on my merry way. And yeah, anyways, that's it for this vlog, you guys. I didn't do my makeup or anything on camera. I just didn't feel like it today, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you all later. And I hope that the update wasn't too all over the place. So yeah. All right, bye. Okay, all right guys, so I really hope that the talking portion of today's video did not seem too sad or anything. I really didn't mean for it to sound sad. I think I was just getting a lot of stuff off my chest, and I don't want these vlogs to like me constantly being sad. I'm not actually sad really. I just think I like to just get everything off of my chest. And now that I'm vlogging more, it's like that's a lot of what I want to do, or what I have been doing, or what I usually do to my friends. And I tell you guys a lot of what I'm going through a lot of the time, so that's why I honestly really want to put more eventful things that are going on through my day in my vlog. So I'm gonna try to do that more often and just like film more during the day. But I do the same thing almost every day, so that's exactly why I don't upload daily vlogs, and I wouldn't be able to do anyway. But like, yeah, that's why. So when I do out with friends, that is when I usually like to post. And I hope it wasn't like a downer for you guys. I feel like the topic of me moving has been probably the happiest news that I've given myself this whole year, and I'm really excited about it. So I want to let you guys know that. And about the whole weight thing, it was just something for me to give as more of like a PSA. Like, it's nothing to be excited about, like for me losing weight or anything. It's a stress issue, and it's something that I've noticed because I haven't worried about my weight for an entire year, and that's why I brought it up. I'm not over here trying to lose weight, basically is what the point of the video is, or what part of the video is. I'm not trying to lose weight, it's just been happening. Yeah, okay, this is actually where the video is going to end. So I hope you guys have an awesome day, and yeah, bye.